Hi there, I'm Mitchell from Brainfart Studio, and this is part 4 of my series on Git for game development. In the last video, we learned how to create a remote repository and connect it to your local project. But what if you want to get someone else's project? Today we're going to dive deep into cloning repositories. Imagine you've discovered a fantastic game jam, and you've been invited to collaborate with a team of talented developers. But they've already begun work on the game and have the repository set up. How do you get a copy of their work? For this, we want to use Git's clone command. This creates a copy of the entire remote repository, all of its history, and transfers it over to your local machine. For this example, I'll pretend I'm working on a new team, though in reality I'm just grabbing one of my own projects from the past. Here's the team's remote repository on GitHub. Just like we did for our personal project, we're going to click this green code button and click the icon to the right to copy the URL. Now open your terminal, command prompt, or git bash and navigate to the directory where you want to store the project. For me, I have one directory where I keep my game development projects. So I'll type cd for change directory, followed by that directory path, then hit enter. Now type git clone followed by that repository's URL. This creates a local copy of the project on your computer, and fair warning, depending on the size of the project, it can take a while sometimes. Once it finishes, you can see I have a new directory, and inside that directory are all the project files from the remote repository. One thing to note, when you clone a repository, the remote repository is automatically connected to the local for you, and it's typically set up with the name origin. In the previous video, I commented that that was the standard name, and this is why. And there you have it. You've mastered the art of cloning repositories, and with the project cloned, you're now part of the team. You can access the code, assets, and project files right on your local environment. In the next video, we'll start learning the basics and most essential Git commands. I'll show you how to take the changes from your local machine and copy them to the remote repository. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.